When choosing the right storage, it's not just about the cost and capacity, it's all about speed, efficiency, durability, and reliability. Today in this episode, I'll be highlighting the 4 reasons why you must upgrade your storage to an SSD. 1. Increase speed. What makes SSD so popular choice is no other than their speed. Without the physical moving parts which slow down your system, SSD are just damn faster. They offer faster booting times, instant performance, better system responsiveness, faster application loadings time. 2. Increase reliability and durability. SSD are more resistant to drops, accidents, wear and tear compared to conventional hard disk drives, since they use flash memory, or the NAND technology, unlike the traditional hard disk drives which use small mechanical moving parts. 3. Increased efficiency. Since SSD have no moving parts, they consume less power, so battery life can be prolonged. Depending on the way you use your system, SSD can save you more than 225% power, having a significant battery efficiency if you use mobile device. 4. Reduce driver failure risk. Have you ever noticed the fact that in many laptops hard drive is among the first component that fails? Since SSD have no any physical moving parts, they have very less tendency to fail, which means less risk to drive failure. If you want speed and better system performance, SSD is unbeatable.